Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving industry and it impacts all of us. The internet has made our lives invariably easier since its invention. But while it has made our lives easy and more manageable and opened up new incredible opportunities for humanity's future, there are those who want to exploit it for personal gain. As you guys know, using cloud technology is a necessity for our daily lives. And because of this, there is a massive spike in cybersecurity requirements. In simpler terms, cybersecurity is a process or method to protect systems, networks, and devices from any risk of cyber attacks. Now, why cybersecurity is important, you ask? Well, here are some examples of companies who had a data breach in security, and this shows why you must protect your data. There was a huge data breach of 50 million Facebook accounts in March 2018. It was done by a firm known as Cambridge Analytica, which harvested data for US election predictions. The data came to limelight and Facebook was levied a huge fine since they did not protect user details and due to their lack of transparency in the system. Imagine, such a big firm like Facebook is susceptible to such data breach. So cybersecurity is an important measure for every organization. Now let's talk about history of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity initially started as a research project when a guy named Bob Thomas designed a creeper to move between the terminals of ARPANET, and a guy named Ray Tomlinson replicated a similar program named Reaper to delete the same creeper. Historically, organizations and governments have taken a reactive point product approach to combating against cyber threats, producing something together with individual security technologies, one on top of another to save their networks and the valuable data within them. Not only this method is expensive and complex, but news of damaging cyber breaches continues to dominate headlines, rendering this new method ineffective. In fact, given the number of groups of people involved in data breaches, the topic of cybersecurity has risen to the top of priority list for boards of directors, which they sought in a less risky way. Instead, organizations can consider a natively integrated, automated next-generation security platform that is especially designed to provide consistent prevention-based protection on the endpoint, in the data center, and on the network and in private clouds. By focusing on prevention, organizations can prevent cyber threats from impacting the network in the first place and less overall cybersecurity risk measure to a manageable degree. The threats countered by cybersecurity are threefolded. Cybercrime. It includes single actors or groups targeting systems for financial gain or to cause disruption. Cyber attack often involves politically motivated information gathering. Cyber terrorism. It is intended to undermine electronic systems to cause panic or fear. So how do malicious actors gain control of computer systems? Here are some common methods used to threaten cybersecurity. There are a lot of methods. Methods like malware, like viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and many more. They use skills like SQL injection, phishing, man-in-the-middle attack, denial of service attack, and even social engineering. Now, cyber attacks will cause more damage financially and reputational even to the most resistant organizations. The organization which suffers cyber attack has to face the losing asset, business reputation, and potentially the organization have to face regulatory fines and taking legal action and cost of remediations. Cybersecurity is one of the highest demanding job roles. There is nothing wrong to say that with the increasing challenges in the cybersecurity domain, the overall number of professionals needed have fallen short. Due to this reason, experts in this field have seen significant growth in their salary since recent years. On an average basis, an expert earns around $42,000 to $78,000 after getting the required skills. In Indian rupees, you can earn from 10 lakh rupees to 25 lakh rupees. That's all about cybersecurity, guys.